Hello traders, today is January 31st and it's the last day in January 2024. I can't believe how fast January has slipped by us, and the market goes up, goes down, gets crazy. Now what I'm showing you right now is the AtlasLine, and the AtlasLine is a super powerful piece of software that keeps you on the right side of trading. I'm going to show you what happened today, but before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So right from the get-go, let me just expand this out here. There is a short signal, AtlasLine short. Remember, the guys and the gals who have the AtlasLine software have the same exact signals, so you can compare what you see here with the software on your charts. This is a AtlasLine short signal, and this is telling me to go short. Now the idea behind the AtlasLine is to stay short and sell the market if it's below this yellow dashed line here with the triangle. So we have all these additional signals: strength trade and pullback trade and strength trade and pullback trade. That's what these S's and these P's are signifying, to continue to go short with additional opportunities because strength is occurring and a pullback is occurring. So you can see here that the market is pulling back, gives you these P's, and then tells you to go short once again. The same thing here with the strength trade here to go short. This didn't pan out. Obviously you can see that it went up, and I like to use what's called a pivotal stop, which is just above here, these S's, for a stop. And you can see here that there are plenty of opportunities, strength and pullback trades, but interestingly enough, the market right after the news came out, look at these large candles here. This is the FOMC. It stayed under the AtlasLine. So if you're thinking about buying or selling, just following the simple AtlasLine software will keep you on the right side of the market. Now, or I should say earlier at about 240, you can see that it crossed the AtlasLine, gave a long signal. So this is an opportunity to go long 3 points, 4 points, 2 points, 1 point, whatever the case may be. This is a great little opportunity for a long. And then what did it do? The market headed right back down to the short side. Another signal to go short, strength trade, pullback trade, strength trade, and just kept on going. So I like to use the AtlasLine software. Let me just crunch this up for everybody to see. I like to use the AtlasLine software to keep me on the right side of the market. So above the AtlasLine, we focus on long trades. Below the AtlasLine, we focus on short trades. However you want to enter, whether you follow the signals, you follow the strength trades, or the pullback trades, on a day like today, it's a great opportunity. I'll also be doing a recap for the Trade Scalper and the Autopilot for today. That'll be on the next video. Leave a comment in the description. YouTube loves when you leave your comments, and let other traders know how you're doing in your trading now in 2024. Until next time, good trading.